Good evening, I'm Brianna Willis. Here's what's making headlines from across the county. Taking a look at the latest COVID numbers across Kern County, where case totals continue to decline. Kern County Public Health reporting 69 more infections, the lowest new daily total we've seen since the start of the pandemic. Meanwhile, there were 6 new deaths reported, raising that total to 2,173. As for the Omicron variant, that total remains at 2,022. And they're on the road again. Truckers from the People's Convoy made another loop around the D.C. Beltway Tuesday. More than 1,000 truckers and their supporters from around the country have been protesting COVID-19 mask and vaccine mandates, calling them government overreach. A spokesperson from the group said the KERO was worse than the disease, pointing to an increase in suicide rates and divorce among truckers. Leaders of the People's Convoy also met with Republican Senators Ron Johnson and Ted Cruz in Washington Tuesday. Cruz called politicians petty tyrants for trying to make health care decisions for people and their kids. The convoy's leaders said they will continue looping the Beltway each day until there are major changes in Washington. So far, they've been circling the area for 3 days. Brandon.
And some minor changes in our weather heading our way for tomorrow. Still going to be beautiful here in the valley with a high temperature of 65 degrees. A little bit cooler in the mountains and over in the desert, though. Got a weak system that's going to be pushing in, but that's not the biggest change we're going to see. We're going to see some gusty winds coming back to Kern County, too, especially in the desert. Those winds, 40, 50 miles per hour. It's going to make it feel colder than it actually is. And on top of that, a little tiny rain chance. 10% chance of rain for our Thursday. Everything's back to beautiful weather for the weekend, just in time to turn those clocks forward once again. A little bit better chance for some rain in our mountain communities, but it still doesn't look like much. A couple of scattered showers for Lake Isabella and Tehachapi, and again, drier, warmer weather for the weekend.
That's your latest news and weather update. For the latest update anytime, be sure to head to our website, turn to23.com.